Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Tonight we're looking at an RCI-2970N2. This is for Greg in Missouri. You got a tune-up report with a RF limited echo board, and in the back we have a switch for talkback on and off. Okay, over here, let's check it over here. We got 100 watts across the top. Turn the power all the way up. Right about 50. Turn it all the way down. Goes down to 5. 5 to 50. Peak reading watt meter today. 250 slug gonna put us up here. 100. There's 150. There's 200. 250's all the way in the corner. Audio check, 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 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2. Let's spread that out a little. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2. Okay. Let's try some sideband. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2. See, that's why I had that tightened up. Back 2 notches. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And just to show you she's working good. Plenty of receiver in there.